Okay, good morning everyone, or good afternoon. I'm getting ready for brunch, so I put this together. I got my white rice. I heat up my, Chinese sausage and my shrimp and green peas and mix it up together with my seasoning. So I'm not going to tell you what seasoning I put in there, but now I'm living in a hotel, so I can't cook, but I can heat up, boil my water and heat it up. So this is like a egg drop soup, but there's no eggs in there yet. So see how thick it is? It's cornstarch, and I just mix it in with cold water and heat it up so it's this thick. My next step is to put in the shrimps, and then add in all the shrimps. You can still eat like a queen for a very cheap, low price. You can eat like a princess for a cheap, low price. So I'm putting in all of my shrimp in here. You see, make it look good and yummy and delicious. And then I'm gonna add some green peas. And then I already seasoned it with a little MSG. I need to season it with some black pepper. I added salt already, so some black pepper in here. And I need some green scallion. And some red pepper, cracked pepper.